Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So before we get into today's video, I just want to highlight this comment, and I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to leave me a positive comment. Guys, please feel free to comment on my videos, on your views or opinion, or thing that you may like or dislike. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make some breakfast together. So in this bowl I have a piece of banana. I'm gonna be making for breakfast banana French toast with fried plantain, a cup of coffee, and some apple slices. So it's Saturday morning, it's around 9 a.m. How are you guys? Weekend going so far? Assuming some work that I normally do over the weekend. I took my time last night and I got them done. So my weekend is kind of a breezy one, if you want, if you wish. Alright. I don't eat egg, so I don't see the sense in putting egg in French toast. I don't know what it tastes like, so it's milk, and I'm using evaporated milk. I'm gonna put this in the air fryer. I just think I don't like it soggy. I think that's good enough, actually. Let me get a plate and cut, I think, about 3 slices of bread, because the bread is quite thick. So about 3 slices. I'm just over here cutting it on the look at that. Just squeeze out the excess. I don't like it to be too saggy, as I said before. And place it here. I had some cinnamon, but I don't know where I placed it. So that's on me. And the last slice. And I'm making it quite thin. I'm not doing thick slices, just because with the thin slices the mixture absorbing to it a lot quicker. This is like almost not enough. I don't have to squeeze this out because there's nothing to squeeze out. There we go. And here we have our 3 slices. Alright, I'm gonna wash my hands and place them in the air fryer. I'm guessing you guys can hear the air fryer in the background. So what I will do, I will just not talk in this portion and put maybe a music or something over it. Alright. So big disaster. I stepped away from the plantains for like a minute, just a lousy minute, and they are burnt. I'm gonna still eat them because they're not charred. They're just a little browner than I would like them to be. But please pay attention to your plantains. Please do. Anyway, I'm going to be making some coffee. I haven't heated up the water as yet, so I'm just going to mix everything together. When the water is hot, I just put over everything. All right, so let me know. Is this considered too charred, too dark, too burnt? I'm reconsidering. But I love plantain, so if I don't get to eat I won't eat a very burnt bits. I'll like eat around it. All right, let's get into making the coffee. The French toast is still in the air fryer. It's taking a bit longer because it is soaked bread. So I give it another 5 minutes or so. This is the only coffee that I use. Nescafe. Nestle. Okay, so the French toast are done. The kettle is on. I like to leave, especially if I'm doing hot coffee, for last, just so I can have the coffee being hot. Um, so I'll show you guys the French toast in a second. I switched out the apple for mango. Um, so I'm gonna slice up a mango. I've got these mangoes, so I'm gonna use one of these for my breakfast, and the apple will be used for a later time. And I'm gonna show you guys the French toast now. I've already been eating out of this last one here, and it's delicious. It doesn't taste like banana bread. I'll be back when the kettle is finished. I think that's it. I'm gonna eat this and then I'll be back. I added some salt and black pepper on this. This is the best way to eat mango. So yeah. Anyway, excuse me. Anyway, this is my breakfast. I feel like some whipped cream would have been very well done well with this, but we have a lot of sugar here. So let me just go over what I made for breakfast. I had some banana French toast, some charred plantains, some mango with salt and pepper, and a cup of coffee, just regular coffee with milk and sugar. So I'll give you guys a closer look and just take some thumbnails and maybe a taste test of everything. Alright guys, so we're gonna be doing a taste test now. Don't mind my attire. See how hot that coffee is. I wish you guys can see the steam. So we're gonna wait on this for last.
Do you get to put things in beakers and make them explode? Well, I've only had a couple of explosions, but it's mostly a lot of data manipulation, developing new analytical methods, comparing variable ranges, looking at linearity and reproducibility. Yeah, it's really cool. Oh, it's so fun sometimes. Oh, good. Oh, sorry, I gotta take this. I'm gonna go get more potato salad. Does anyone want it? Good.
There's some of the sugar that doesn't melt it that's on the top. It makes it like almost like, you know those cookies that we get? The tin of cookies around Christmas time with the one that has the sugar on top of it. It has that kind of like texture to it.
But Josie tells her it's just this weird symbiotic thing that happens with fighting fresh. You're into just as Josie? I
Definitely good.
Don't you? Girl, look who I found. Do you remember little Norman Beaver? So glad you met. You and Norman were such good friends when you were young. I haven't seen you since high school, Jerry.
Just so sweet.
Really good time.
Little char, but not too much.
Norman has made quite a success for himself. He just opened up his second car dealership, and he just bought the house at the end of the cul-de-sac. You know where the Connors used to live. Oh, that's really something. Yeah, I'd love to take you down there and show you how to fix up the old place. Oh, I'm just kidding. I mean, the Connors work is never done. Nothing. Just the fellow I'm looking for.
It's a lot more orange than what the camera is picking up. It's like almost like this. Yeah, this is the orange. So good. Mangoes are meant to be messy, so don't be neat about it. It reminds me, like when I feel like this, of a dragon fruit, how it peels very easily.
What are the chances, right?
Ooh.
Stars are spectacular tonight.
Adding salt and black pepper to already sweetened fruits, it enhances the sweetness.
Okay. My mom published a second revenge. My dad got it for whichever anniversary, but I don't remember, but they still sit out here every night and look at that together. That's a dream, right? Dream? What dream? I remember dreams.
Let me turn it this way so you guys can see. Can't see either way, but it's very hot. So let me try to give you guys a sip and watch my Hallmark movie and enjoy the rest of my day.
Jerry, are you back here? Hi. You look so cute, cuddled up.
It's not sweet. I think because of all the sweet stuff I have here, it doesn't taste sweet at all. Maybe
Reporting for duty. Do you need anything from me?
that's good because there's like a balance.
Oh, lighting is so important for setting the mood.
When I hit your chest, it's good. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed spending time with me, making breakfast with me, and also eating with me, let me know if you guys would like more, like making breakfast, lunch, dinner with me, and then I do most of those videos. But if you guys would like to see more of that, let me know, and I hope you guys will enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.